Hello, hi, and welcome everyone in this brand new tutorial of Bachelor First Year Compulsory English. This is your regular English teacher Madan Sharma, and we have been learning a beautiful story, The Brave Little Parrot, from our previous video. And today also we are going to continue the same chapter. Today we have to finish it because we need to interpret the story on 4 different grounds. Okay, they are literal comprehension level, interpretation level, critical thinking level, and assimilation level. Okay, so we are going to study this particular story on the basis of these 4 different levels of interpretation. Among them, the first one is already finished. Last time we had completed, and remaining 3 parts will be discussed in our today's video. So don't go anywhere, listen to the video properly, and if you get questions, okay, then I'm ready to help you. Please comment those questions in the comment section. Okay, so without any delay, let's go to the second part of this particular video, that is the interpretation level of The Brave Little Parrot. Okay, so let me remind you the story at first. The brave little parrot means the Buddha was incarnated, or Buddha had taken a birth in the form of a small parrot, and the parrot was flying in the jungle. Suddenly the parrot sees fire and then dares to help. Though he burns himself, his feathers get burned, eyes becomes red like the tomato, isn't it? But after his tremendous effort, okay, उसले एकदमै धेरै मेहनत गरिसकेपछि the god becomes happy enough, भगवान एकदमै खुसी हुनुहुन्छ, and then the god gives life to all the plants, animals, and a beautiful color to him as well. हैन, उलाई पनि beautiful color दिनुभएको थियो. This is the story. Then what is the meaning of this particular story? यो कथाको meaning के हो त? यो कथाको अर्थ के हो? That is to be understood in today's class. Okay, so यो कथाले के भन्न खोजेको छ भने, we should not think of ourselves until and unless we become successful in our mission. हामीले आफ्नो बारेमा पनि सोच्नु हुँदैन until and unless we complete our mission. हामीले हाम्रो मिसन नसकुन्जेलसम्म हामीले आफैलाई पनि समय नदिने, हामीले आफैलाई पनि भ्यालु नदिने, हामीले जे मिसन दिएको छ त्यसलाई भ्यालु गर्ने. Number 1, isn't it? Okay, next thing is work is much more powerful than the words, isn't it? हामीले गर्ने काम हामीले बोल्ने शब्द भन्दा कयौं गुणा शक्तिशाली हुन्छ. Or work is much more, or work speaks louder than the words. Okay, तपाई हामीले बोल्ने शब्दहरु भन्दा तपाई हामीले गर्ने काम धेरै बोल्छ. This is the story, isn't it? So यो कथाले भन्न खोजेको कुरा त्यति नै हो. हामीले गर्ने कामले हामीलाई चिनाउनु पर्छ, not by the words. हामीले बोल्ने शब्दबाट हाम्रो परिचय हैन, ताकि हामीले गर्ने एक्सनबाट हामीलाई इन्ट्रोड्युस गरिनु पर्छ. Okay, so this is the message, or let's say meaning of this particular story. Okay, so now let's discuss about the critical thinking level. Okay, isn't it very beautiful story? यो एकदमै राम्रो स्टोरी छैन र यो कथाले चित्त बुझाएको छैन? कति राम्रो छ हेर्नुस् त. उले आफ्नै ज्यान गुमाइसक्यो, उले आफ्नै ज्यानका चाहिँ ब्युटिफुल विंग्सहरु गइसके, सबै थोक गइसक्यो. Still he was dedicated in helping the burning animals and plants. हैन, उले आफ्नो ज्यान गइसके पनि अरूलाई हेल्प गर्न छोडेको थिएन. र लास्टमा गडलाई पनि प्लिज गर्न सफल भएको थियो. He became able to please the god. हामीले राम्रो काम गर्यौ भने गड पनि प्लिज हुनुहुन्छ. कति मिठो सन्देश छ. But there are some points to be questioned in the story. Okay, is rebirth possible? पुनर्जन्म सम्भव हुन्छ? जस्तै बुद्धले यहाँ प्यारोटको रूपमा जन्म लिनुभयो. Is it possible? I don't think so. Number next is disguising. भेष बदल्ने. Is it possible to disguise? भेष बदल्न possible हुन्छ? हुँदैन होला पक्का पनि. Number next is it possible to give life to those things that are already dead? मरिसकेका मृत चीजहरुका लागि पुनः हामीले जिन्दगी दिन possible हुन्छ? I think that is also impossible. त्यो पनि possible हुँदैन होला, isn't it? And do the gods test the other living being by killing them, or let's say by taking the life of others? अर्काको जिन्दगी लिएर भगवानले कसैको टेस्ट गर्छ र? So that we can question this story. Okay, so these questions come under critical thinking level. Okay, now last but not the least, okay, there comes assimilation level. Assimilation level भन्ना बित्तिकै के बुझ्नु पर्यो, हामी त्यो स्टोरीसँग एसिमिलेट हुन सक्छौं अथवा त्योसँग इन्टरमिक्सिङ हुन सक्छौं. That is called assimilation level. र एसिमिलेसन को लागि the best example I want to provide to you is, please write down. I am not promoting anyone, okay, यो मैले कसैलाई प्रमोट गरेको भन्ने चाहिँ नसोच्नु, but you can write the story of Dhurmu Suntali's settlement process, or let's say उनीहरुको चाहिँ त्यो settlement houses हरुको building लाई चाहिँ you can take the example. Okay, when our houses, or when Nepal was suffering a very big crisis, that was the massive earthquake of 2072, Dhurmu and Suntali, they quit their career, they quit their life, they quit their job. हैन, उनीहरुले त मेरी भाषालाई छोडे, and then where did they go? They went to सिन्धुपाल्चोक. उनीहरु सिन्धुपाल्चोकमा गए, गिरनचौर भन्ने ठाउँमा बस्ती बसाए, हैन, र many more places हरुमा उनीहरुले चाहिँ के गरे, त्यो settlement गराए, isn't it? They did not think of their self. हामीले कतिपय इन्टरभ्यूहरुमा सुन्छौं नि, हैन, हामीले छोरीको अनुहार देखेनौ, के भनौ भन्दा चाहिँ they say later on, but they continuously focused on their work. उनीहरु आफ्नो काममा continuously focused भए र उनीहरुले चाहिँ आफ्नो गोल अचिभ गरे, उनीहरु आफ्नो सफलतामा आइपुगे, हैन. This is the assimilation. एउटा स्टोरी यो पनि हुन सक्यो, हैन. अथवा तपाईहरुले जहाँसुकै, तपाई जुन ठाउँमा हुनुहुन्छ त्यो ठाउँमा पनि त तपाईले त्यस्ता खालका घटनाहरु त एक्सपीरियन्स गर्नुभएको हुन सक्छ नि त, isn't it? हो त्यसरी नै एउटा ब्रेभ लिटल प्यारोटले जसरी मैले यहाँ अहिले एउटा एक्जाम्पल धुर्मुसको दिएँ, अथवा श्वेता खड्काले पनि बनाएको अर्को एउटा चाहिँ सेटलमेन्ट प्रोसेस छ, सेटलमेन्ट एउटा माझी बस्तीको चाहिँ कुराकानी छ. हो, यु क्यान राइट द्याट स्टोरी एज वेल. मैले यही लेख्नुपर्छ भनेको छैन, आई हेभ गिभन यु जस्ट एन एक्जाम्पल. हो, त्यो कथालाई लेख्नुभयो भने यो आन्सर ओर योर एसिमिलेसन बिकम्स भेरी वन्डरफुल. तपाईको एसिमिलेसन एकदमै राम्रो हुनुहुन्छ. Okay, so hope you must have liked this video. यो भिडियो पक्का पनि तपाईले लाइक गर्नुभयो होला है. There comes a question. We have been learning these things from your channel, but where is the summary and follables? हैन, summary follables कहाँबाट पाउने? You don't need to worry. google.com मा जानुस्, सबै टिचरहरुले लेख्ने समरीहरु they are almost similar. हैन, ल्याङ्ग्वेज फरक हुन्छ तर कन्टेन्ट अलमोस्ट सिमिलर हुन्छ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि प्लिज गो फर दैट. अनि केही बुझिएन भने you can still comment on my video है, नोट त्यहाँबाट पाउने, कन्सेप्ट मबाट लिने. and if you are still confused, don't forget to comment. म त्यही कमेन्टबाट तपाईको क्वेशनको सोलुसन भिडियो बनाउँछु म आफ्टर कम्प्लिटिङ द कोर्स. पछि गएपछि यसको चाहिँ म गर्छु and I will be uploading in the channel. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to me. मलाई सुन्नु भएकोमा धन्यवाद. If you like the video, don't forget to share the video among your friends. तपाईले आफ्नो साथीहरुसँग भिडियो शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला. And if you have come to my channel for the first time, यो च्यानलमा पहिलो चोटी आउनु भएको हो भने don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so see you in our next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.